video, I'm going to teach you how to add video background to Weebly website. A video background is a simple way to make your page feel modern and dynamic without changing your overall layout. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what options you have, and a few best practices to make your site look clean and professional. First, open your Weebly editor. This brings you into the drag and drop builder, where you can see your site exactly as visitors will. If you're not already on the site you want to edit, select it and wait for the editor to load fully, so all design tools are available. Next, go to the page or the specific section where you want the video background to appear. Think about impact and readability here. Hero headers, banner areas, or wide sections at the top of a page often work best because they draw immediate attention and give your content room to breathe. Click the section itself to reveal its settings, then choose the background option. You'll see controls that let you change how the section looks behind your text and elements. This is where the transformation happens. Select Video Background. This tells Weebly you want motion instead of a static image. As you switch to video, keep in mind that your background is there to enhance your content, not compete with it. Subtle motion usually works better than fast, flashy clips. Now add your video. You can upload a video file from your computer, or paste a YouTube link if your clip is hosted on YouTube. When choosing a file or link, aim for a short, looping-friendly clip with minimal abrupt cuts. Landscape orientation typically fits most sections, and simpler scenes help your headlines remain readable. Keep file sizes modest so your page loads quickly, and only use footage you have the rights to use. If your video has audio, remember that background videos are meant to be seen, not heard. Your site's main content should take the lead. When you're happy with how it looks in the preview, click Save and then Publish. Saving locks in your changes in the editor, and publishing pushes them live so visitors can see them. After publishing, give your page a quick check on desktop and mobile. Some mobile browsers limit background video playback, so expect occasional static fallbacks. If text is hard to read over the motion, consider simplifying your copy or selecting a calmer clip. That's it. Your Weebly section now features a professional video background that elevates your page without complicating your workflow.